Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add emergency contact in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open your settings app. From here, scroll down, then tap on safety and emergency. From here, tap on emergency contacts. Now from here, first you have to enable show on lock screen settings. Then tap on add emergency contact option. Now from here, choose any contact as you want. If I select this, then tap on done. Now you can see in my phone emergency contact has been added successfully. Now if I lock my device, now if I swipe for unlock, then tap on emergency call option. Here you can see the emergency contact. You can call this number even if your phone is locked. Also, emergency number help you in your emergency situation. And that is how you can add emergency contact in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.